Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video for this week. So we have a plan with me as always for Mondays. Lovely plan with me in my mini HP bullet journal. So September is almost over. Let me bring out the sketched up paper. So I have this here. So let's begin. So I'm keeping it simple for this week, for the 21st to 27th. Like I said, I only keep 5 days in my bullet journal, so from Monday to Friday, since this is a work bullet journal, I do not touch this planner at all during the weekends. So let's begin with the plan with me. So I'm going to use my pigment liner in 0.3 to write in the names of the weekdays. I'm keeping it simple this week, so because the past 2 weeks I've been working, and I needed more space because like I do jot like a lot of stuff down when I work. So like I write like what are my to-dos that day, and like for each task I have like a little mini task in that task. So like there's a lot of things I gotta put in there. So I use a lot of the transparent sticky notes to write in the other to-dos when that day is kind of full. So like it does get full. So this is a completed title. I'm just gonna go in with the same pen on the lavender. This is pretty thick compared to the Uniball Signo DX pen that I love. This is one of my favorite pens that I've thankfully found. Yes, I'm so happy. This is for sure to my go-to pen that I think I will continue to buy. But I really love trying new pens. Like I said, I really love trying new pens. So it's hard to just stick to one set of pens. Like it's really hard for me. Like I constantly just want to keep buying pens and pens when I don't need them. Like it's crazy. So now I'm just gonna draw on these little circles and sparkles here and there, just to fill in the page more, because I don't want my work planner to be that boring, right? You gotta have some excitement in your planners. So here's what I have for now. Of course, you gotta have the Tombow in this color 603 for the lavender, which I will color later. I'm just gonna go back and to write in the weekdays. So what works with the sticky notes, because I tried so many pens and markers for me to write over the sticky note, and none of my pens that I have currently worked. So I had to use a pencil, which I did use a pencil to write over this, like for a little bit, for a couple weeks. And then I found out that the Sharpie fine tip pen, fine point ultra fine tip permanent marker, this one works really well like when I write on it. And I'm left-handed, so usually when I write I smudge, but it doesn't happen. So I really enjoy this. So this is I bought 2 of this because why not, right? Because I need one for my on the go and one for home. So I have this pencil case which is on the go now. And then this for home. That's right. So that was work for transparent sticky notes. Add a few little circles, little sprinkles, doodles. Okay, here. Going back with the same pen, I'm gonna go over the lavender. There, and then we have like circles. So I'm gonna use a circle, what do you call this? A perfect circle maker thing. And then I'm gonna go over the circles that I already created and just go over with a pen. Here it is. So I'm gonna erase all of this off the screen and then I'll come back with you guys. Okay, so I'm back. So I have erased all the pencil work and stuff. So I'll be going back and coloring in the lavender with my Tombow brush pen. Like you know, in my other videos, I don't really color the lavenders perfectly. There, and then let's grab the green, which is a Crayola Super Tips. To color in one of these plants. There it is. So I'm going to use this pen and to draw in some lines in the circles. So I'm going to use a ruler. I'm going to use this circle maker thing. So as in, I'm draw like lines, multiple lines in here. See right there. So it could be any way you want. You do not have to use a ruler for this, because I do like my lines to be like perfectly straight. So I gotta use a ruler. There it is. Of course, you could like measure properly for the spacings to be perfect, but I don't care. And then this other circle. Of course, you can go back and fill in if you have lots of space. Ouch. I just hit myself in the face with this pen. So I'm gonna go do it here too. I just want to add some texture into this plan, into this spread, so it's not that empty or boring to look at. There. And I think I'm gonna go over the weekdays with the lavender and hopefully it looks good. Okay, it's not bad. Well, no, I could erase it, right? So So this is what I have for this week. I try to change up every single week's spread, the layout, so it adds some like jaws into my planner. So let's put this back into my mini HP. So this is the final look of the spread for September 21st to September 27th. Hope you guys enjoy this plan with me. Bye everyone. See you guys next week.